Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to manage your Coinbase account settings. Alright, if you've been wondering how to manage your Coinbase account settings, then this video is gonna help you out with that. It's gonna be a really quick one. We're not gonna waste time. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do, of course, is to log into your Coinbase account. You can choose to log into your Coinbase account on the mobile app, or you can choose to do so on the website. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the settings tab. There you're going to browse the account settings. It could be security settings, payment methods and whatnot. You can just browse that, and then you can update the account settings as needed. So you can choose to change security settings, payment methods or whatnot. And once you have those changes made, just confirm the account settings changes, and you can also review the updated account settings to make sure everything is correct. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to manage your Coinbase account settings. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.